Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my tow rig for the new tractor. It's a 2012 Lexus RX 350. And this is the trailer I'm going to be using. It's a U-Haul car hauler trailer. It's got the ramps in the back, so should haul it no problem. I was going to haul it with my little Equinox, but I think I'm pushing the boundaries of the tow limit, so we're on our way. It's about a 50-kilometer drive to pick up the tractor. The tractor home. The old Lexus towed it with no problems at all. It's a little heavy on it, but it's more the tongue weight, power-wise, no problem. There's the tractor. Again, the fellow I bought it from took the last drive and loaded it on.